Hi everyone, welcome to another short video tutorial. In this video, you are going to learn the difference between sort and sorted methods in Python. Sort and sorted functions or methods are both methods used to sort elements in a list in Python, but they have some key differences in how they work and what they return. Here are an example. I have defined a list of elements in different orders, and I just wanna sort the elements in ascending or descending order. I can use either sorted or sort function, but they have some key differences. The difference is that when you are using sorted method, the original list elements not modified. It just return a new sorted element instead of modifying the original list. While using sort method in Python, it just modifies the original list, or it just sorts the list in place, meaning it modifies the original list and does not return a new one. So if you see that the original list is this one, and after sorted, using sorted function, the original list does not modify, it's just return a new sorted list. While using sort, it just modifies the original list. I just return the object of the original list, but the original list is modified and sorted in ascending order by default. So this is the key differences between sorted and sort functions in Python. You can also apply a reverse parameter to return the sorted elements in descending order. By default, it returns in ascending order. You can also apply the reverse in sort function. That is the same is true. You just return the sorted elements in descending order instead of ascending order. So those are the key differences between sorted and sort functions. So in conclusion, if you wanna sort a list and keep the original list unchanged while obtaining a sorted version, use sorted method. If you wanna sort the list in place and don't need a new sorted list, use the sort method. The choice between them depends on your specific requirements and whether you need to preserve the original order of elements. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.